Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. It's Jackie. It's another Sunday, which means I'm back at Aldi to do my weekly grocery shopping. So let's get into the store, see what I get. And hopefully Aldi has something amazing that I'm not expecting, and they surprised me today. We are going to a family campsite. We're going to a campsite of one of my family members tomorrow, and I'm just going to bring some snacks. This is one of my favorite, the sweet and spicy Cajun trail mix. My kids all love it, so we're getting it. It's $5.39. We are having nachos this week, so I'm buying 2 bags of the Big Dippers at $1.79. We're having friends over for a nacho pool party. I'm gonna have the queso mamita salsa con queso for $2.15 on the side. I ran into a friend and she pointed out there's lots of red stickers, but freezer's still so full of naan. Okay, $3.15. I need an Italian loaf. Nope, scratch that. I'm moving to baguette, $1.69. I'm gonna get this artisanal style bread at $1.25 instead of my normal white bread. Yum. I'm going to get a pineapple at $1.59. Let's see. This guy looks good. These grapes look pretty nice and firm. I'm gonna get them at $1.29 a pound. I'm also gonna get a bunch of bananas at 44 cents a pound. I need cilantro for nachos at 85 cents and green onions for nachos, 85 cents. I'm gonna cut up mangoes for nacho night. I'll get 2 of them at 89 cents. I'm grabbing a bag of mandarins to take to the campsite we're visiting, $4.29. I'm getting Brussels sprouts for a vegetable at dinner. And I'm gonna get green beans. I'm gonna get these ones at $2.69, the French ones. I'm getting spinach. That one doesn't look very good, for $1.49. And then we'll get this lettuce for nachos, $1.69. $2.17 for eggs. I need potatoes for mashed potatoes, and I'm also gonna make some olive oil boiled potatoes that my friend made for my daughters, and they loved it, so I'm gonna try to make it at home. 71 cents for black beans for nachos. I was excited when I saw extra cherry. My kids would love that, but it's in syrup, not juice, so I'm gonna have to move on. We eat lots of peanut butter, $3.39. $1.75 for celery. Black olives at $1.47 for the nachos. We ran out of croutons, 97 cents. Just great to have for salads or tomato soup. We ran out of maple syrup. That's $7.79. Last week I had to run here midweek to grab some of these for my husband. He keeps them at work, so I'm gonna just grab 4 of them at $1.19 to give him a stack. My kids love the grape juice, $2.49. Again, it seems late in the season, but we have all these pools. The deck box, I think, has been here a while. Some box planters. We still have lots of the boho chairs. I'm very tempted by this. If I didn't have a million small appliances, that would be coming home with me. Daily affirmation candle set, color changing LED light strip. I just got one of these from Amazon and it works amazing in my pool shed. I just bought this in the winter on clearance. Absolutely loved it. Still love it. Use it every day. Matching family. Cute. Although my husband thought I was crazy for buying shirts last week. He was a good sport about it. This is cool for outside. Still have lots of the camping stuff. Still think that looks pretty nice. bird feeders, rugs, camping chairs. This surfboard I think looks really cool. That's what I was looking for. I don't know what my husband thinks of adding that to our swing set though. I don't know if we have room for it is what I mean. I know my kids would like it, but we have a giant saucer. I'm making a combination of a couple different recipes for Amish chicken gravy and noodles, but I'm getting chicken broth, $1.29. I'll link the couple recipes I'm using, but I'm just kind of putting them together because I don't want to use a cream of chicken soup, but I want to make my own noodles, and I can't find one that does both. I need $1.39 for baking powder. If you lost a tomato, I found it in the baking aisle. Okay, so the grilling cabinet doesn't have as much as it has. Plant-based burgers. I would love to have my daughter try one of these, but she just really does not want to. These look really good. Green chili rolls. Southwestern. They both have chicken in them, so my daughters would not eat them. Avocado chunks, pretty nice for smoothies. Falafel? Okay, I'm gonna get this, but I'm gonna save it for next week when we have, I'll make chicken shawarma next week, but I would love to be able to buy falafel. But I'm gonna get the garlic herb. It's $3.99, but I'm saving it for next week's meal plan. I love falafel. Steakums. The grease appetizer that I'm not gonna try saying. Mini empanadas. Raviolis, chicken fajitas, shrimp taco mix. Lots of pizzas. All the cherry pies. I see one peach down there. I've heard such good things, but I wanted strawberry rhubarb and they didn't have it this time. I have Tuscan blend cheese. I'm getting this for spaghetti and meatballs this week, $3.49. That's already prepped in my freezer from a freezer prep class that I took. I'll put a link to it if you're interested below. I'm gonna get some pine roasted hummus to take to the family gathering tomorrow, $2.45. I'm gonna get the medium salsa. My husband loves this stuff for nachos on Tuesday, $2.99. I'm making French onion chicken, so I need Swiss. I'm gonna get it at $1.89. And I'm going to get cheese. Let's see. I'm gonna get this Mexican style cheese for nachos, $2.99. I'm actually gonna get 2 bags because we're having people over and I don't want to run out. Okay, I'm gonna get this chicken for the Amish chicken noodles as well as the French onion chicken. Do you guys see what I see? My waters are gone. Where are my waters? Wait, there's one. There's literally one. No, they just moved them. There's 2. Okay, so I only get 2 of my unflavored waters, but I'm glad they're not gone. 79 cents a piece. This infamous patio table that everyone wanted last year is back again, and we have lots of them in my store. $2.49. Still $2.24. Will it ever reach the 100s? I doubt it. Broccoli florets, 95 cents. We have leftover buttered chicken that we're having for dinner tomorrow night. So I need more broccoli. I think this is so adorable. You guys know who asked for this? My husband. $5.89. I'm gonna get this. We're going to my in-laws tonight to see out-of-state family, and I think one of the people we're going to visit would probably like this. We're having pizza, salads, really simple dinner, but I think that'd be good. So I'm gonna get some, $13.99. Okay, so I see this, $24.98. I buy this at Costco, a much gianter size, and it's not $24.98, it's less than that. So, love this stuff, not a good value at Aldi. Sorry, Aldi. I still can't believe, like, no one is buying these even when they're cheap. I'm almost tempted at this point myself. The sports bras are on sale. Still have the shorts, beach dress. All the Daddy and Me shirts are still here. By the way, they were a big hit at our family cookout. My mother-in-law loved them. Just as I suspected, and my son did too. Okay, I'm sorry, why is this the cutest thing I've ever seen? A pet towel? That is too cute. If you don't have one of these and you like pineapple, you need to get one. They're amazing. I have one from years ago though. Okay, so here's my cart. Any guesses on my total? Okay, my total for today was $124.32 for all this. Now let's go home and see my meal plan. Okay, our meal plan for the week. I made butter chicken yesterday, so we're having leftovers tomorrow. We're having a nacho bar. We're having friends over to swim, and we're gonna break in our brand new kegerator I just got. So we're having a nacho bar, and that should be a lot of fun. My husband requested some sort of a chicken gravy homemade noodle dish, so I'm making Amish chicken and noodles. We will put that on top of mashed potatoes and Brussels sprouts. There are a couple different recipes I'm gonna link below, but I wanna make homemade noodles, and I also wanna make the homemade chicken gravy, so I'm doing a couple different things, and I don't have an exact recipe to share with you, but here are a few ideas for you. This is moved from last week, the cilantro lime chicken. I'm gonna make the risotto. We ended up bumping that because tonight we're going to my in-laws and we didn't plan on doing that. I'm having boiled potatoes, and then you kind of cook them with salt, pepper, olive oil. A friend of mine did that and my girls really liked them, so we're having them this week. French onion chicken with green beans. I have in my freezer spaghetti sauce prepped with meatballs that goes right in the crock pot. I learned how to do this with all the ingredients from a sponsored class earlier in the year. It's free. I'll share it with you again if you're interested. That's freezer prepped. I'm gonna have a baguette and we'll have salad with that. I also have pasta in my pantry. And then finally, we will either have leftovers of all these dinners, or I'll find something in the pantry if we don't have enough leftovers. So that is our meal plan for the week. If you're interested in seeing the video where I actually shop to meal prep for the spaghetti and meatballs, you can see this video right here and check out that free class. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Donna, ciao.